Hi Mami Susan, happy birthday. Wish ko mo na kumaba ka pa biye, good health care ka, and lagi na kang gabayan, Lord, ang po yung family mo. Bengi-bengi, pag-pray ko, and lagi kong pag-pray na sana kumaba ka pa biye, and pakal pang blessings at datang kaya ka. I miss you, Mami Susan, and happy birthday ulit, and I love you. Hello, Mami Susan. Happy 84th birthday. Before I send my wishes, I wanted to say thank you, most especially when I was still a child, living in the same neighborhood, Booking SL Park. You've been a special part of my upbringing. Sayapin po siguro awas ko po kaya kayo is Mami Susan na Tita Susan. It only signifies that you've taken good care of us, anyang malalati kami po. And from that, I'm really thankful. Makalungkot ako po makaselebrate kayong birthday you, pero I wanted to let you know na love na kayo po and nami-miss din na kayo po. Wish ko po kaya kayo is good health, long life, and may the good Lord bless you. Mimingat po, Ken. Bye-bye, Mami.
Good evening. For those who don't know me, I am Celine Ocampo Piezas, the fifth daughter of Meli Consunji Ocampo and Ellie. And so on the occasion of your 84th birthday, Ate Susan, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. May you continue to have more blessed years and healthy and happy years ahead of you. And I would like to honor you for being the great eldest sister of your clan, because I know that you rally everyone together. And my mom, in fact, always proudly, or used to proudly declare you as her inaanak. And I'm sure that's because of your many attributes. And the last time I had an encounter with Ate Susan was during the wedding of a niece in Manila. And so she approached me saying, "Alam mo, Celine, maganda ka. Maganda mukha mo. Kaya lang, ang taba mo na. Magpapayat ka naman. Sayang ka." So, Ate Susan, I will not take it against you because I know that this is coming from a good place in your heart. Again, happy birthday, and I wish I'm there to partake of your birthday buffet. Sana sa November na lang kasi uuwi kami. See you soon! Mwah!
Anytime, go ahead.
Hello! Hi, Susan! Hi, family! It's so nice to be able to put myself in that special event. This is a very happy occasion, I know. And Susan, these flowers are for you for this special day. Susan, alam mo, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo that you have become a very good sister to me, and I appreciate your being a naturally kind and sweet sister-in-law. I love you. Bye.
Hello, Ate Susan. I want to wish you a very happy 84th birthday greetings today. May you continue to have excellent health, more joys and happiness to your life. More importantly, I want to thank you for being the best Ate Susan I ever had in my entire life. Thank you for your kindness, thank you for your smile, and thank you for your love to all of us. Have a great day. Enjoy your celebration. I'm sorry we can't be there with you, but we'll be there in spirit to celebrate your milestone in your life. Thank you and have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Susan. Sorry, hindi kami maka-attend sa iyong karawan. Pero we love you 3 times a day. Happy birthday, Ate Susan!
Ninang, a bouquet of happiness for you and happy birthday. May your special day be surrounded by the love, family, and friends. All the best. Again, happy birthday.
Hi, Susan. Happy birthday. How many more years to come? I hope you are good health. Si Cesar natutulog na at pag may sakit. Okay? Sometime we'll come and see you. Okay? Happy birthday and enjoy with your family. Bye.
Hello, Lola! Happy birthday! Wish ko mabuhay ka na mababa po yung biyahe mo and more birthdays to come. And I love you and I miss you all. And see you soon. See you soon. And yun lang. Stay safe.
Hi La! Happy birthday! Sorry po hindi ako makapunta sa birthday celebration mo today. But know that you're always in my heart, in my mind, and in every prayer that I say. I'm always grateful to have you as our Lola. Hindi man tayo palagi magkasama, pero your love and wisdom have been a guiding light in our lives. I'm always grateful for every bit of advice that you have shared with us, with me, and that helped me and molded me into the person that I am right now. You make our family stronger and our lives richer just by being you. I wish you a day as special as you are, filled with love and happiness that you deserve. I hope and also pray that someday I'll be as beautiful, as amazing, as brave and wise, and as wonderful as you are, La. Again, happy birthday, and we'll celebrate 100 more years together. We love you!
Happy birthday po, Lola Susan. It has been a pleasure po to feel your unwavering love and support throughout my life. I'm sorry po, wala po ako ngayon dyan. Bawi na lang po ako next time. I wish po na you may continue to spread love and guidance, support throughout your entire life, and you may continue to experience God's blessings for a long time. Happy birthday po, Lola. I love you.